Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video, and today we're going to take a look at and install my third trifold cover from Rough Country. When I said the third bed cover, I wasn't kidding. This is the second one that was sent to me, and you can see it has that bend in the bar. It's almost actually punctured through on this, so when you fold it, it's got a large hump in the middle of it. That's not Rough Country's fault, that's because of USPS. The first one that was sent to me is sitting in the garage, and that may have been a manufacturing defect. It was a small one, but I paid a lot of money, so I want it done right. So that's why I went ahead and got the second one. Had this defect, so now they sent me a third one. The box doesn't look in great shape. As a matter of fact, it has a puncture right where that one had a puncture in the back of the box, and I'll certainly have them to look out for that. But as far as Rough Country customer service goes, absolutely top notch. They've taken care of me. They sent me 3 bed covers. I haven't asked any questions, just asked for pictures. I certainly hope this one's going to turn out a little bit better than the last two. So far so good on this one. I just checked it out. There doesn't seem to be any punctured metal brackets or anything like that. I haven't seen anything bent out of place just yet. I just did a quick overview so far. So all we got to do now is we got to take this one off, and I'll talk about the hardware and how you put that on, but I'm not going to redo all that. And then we're just going to slide the new bed cover over the top of this one. That took maybe 2 or 3 minutes to pop off, and the reason for that is no tools required. The way this works is with the track mounted system in just about all Toyota Tacomas. We have these little bars here, or essentially clamp holders, and you just slide these into this channel, tighten them down with a little Allen wrench, screws you can see there. Find out where they are. You might have to spend a few minutes adjusting it, but once you do, tighten that down, leave these in here, that's it. That's all you need for the initial setup. And then the clamps that go on the rear part of the truck bed and on the front, they just clamp into here, and those are simply just screws with nuts on them and plastic. I wish that was metal, but they are plastic. So that's why it's so easy to install these things. Old one is off, about to put the new one on. All I need to do is add the clamps, because those come in a bag, and essentially just screw them into the screws that are already on the bed cover itself, and simply put it on here, adjust it to these clamps because these are already set, and that's it. Close the bed cover, we should be done. Finally, I have a bed cover that fits properly. You can see there's no bulges on the top. Those bars are just a-okay. Now it looks like there's a tiny bit of a gap here, but when you close this gate, you'll realize this is actually flat. You got the rubber gasket underneath. That's actually laying flat across back of this bed. So everything's working out fine. Third time's the charm. We have it installed, and honestly, it looks fantastic. The reason I got a bed cover, if I go on trips or anything, I can finally put my luggage out here without worrying about rain and all that stuff, and gives me a little bit more room in the back of the truck. After going through 3 bed covers, dealing with customer service, which by the way, again, top notch, excellent to deal with, this thing works out perfectly. It's flat, it's level, it looks great on the back, and it's going to add just a little bit more utility to the Tacoma. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to share, like, subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.